Hey there, it's Oliver here at Databowl, and today what I want to share with you is the source and keyword parameters that can be used on a Databowl URL for a landing page that you're driving traffic through to, and how they can be used to enhance the reporting and to give you additional information on how leads are performing. So if you go ahead in the report section and pick an affiliate URL summary report, and in this case I picked a campaign that we've got running here, what I've gone ahead and done is I visited the page. And when I started this process, I added the query parameter here, source equals Oliver test, and the keyword energy switching. And I submitted this record on the thank you page. And if I run this report at the bottom here, I can then see this is the total amount of records that I've generated. But if I click on the view the source, then it gives me the information here, and the source and keyword gives me a breakdown as well. So again, it can be very useful in terms of generating additional bits of information in terms of your source and keyword to help give you a bit more granular detail of where the leads are coming from, and hopefully that can be a useful addition to your landing page reporting.